Welcome to the Daily Speak English podcast. This is Daniel.
And this is Maya.
Today, we are here with you again to practice simple, real English through real conversations and real feelings.
Maybe your body is at work, maybe you are in school, maybe you are on a bus.
But right now, your brain is with us.
Yes, welcome to your small English break. No ticket, no passport, just headphones.
So, Maya, how was your day today?
My day is calm, but a little strange.
Strange. How?
You know those days when nothing bad happens, but nothing exciting happens either?
One of those neutral days.
Exactly. Not happy, not sad, just plain.
I understand. Sometimes plain days are dangerous.
Dangerous? Why?
Because on plain days, we feel lazy. And when we feel lazy, we forget our goals.
Oh, that's deep already.
Today, I woke up and I told myself, Daniel, today you will study English for 1 hour.
And then my bed said, 5 more minutes.
Let me guess, the bad one?
The bed always wins in the morning.
Actually, today I want to talk about small habits.
Small habits?
Yes, not big life changes, not new year, new me, just small habits that slowly change your life.
I like that. Big goals are scary.
Exactly, but small actions feel possible.
Okay, I'm listening. Tell us something small that changed your life.
2 years ago, my English was not very good.
Honest answer. I like it.
I was afraid to speak. Every time someone talked to me in English, I froze.
Frozen like ice.
Yes, my brain stopped working.
So what changed?
One small habit.
What habit?
Every day, for just 5 minutes, I spoke to myself in English.
To yourself.
Yes, in my room, alone, no pressure.
What did you talk about?
Anything. My day, my food, my dreams.
So you practiced thinking in English.
Exactly. At first, it was uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable means not relaxed, right?
Yes, I felt silly. I made many mistakes. But after 1 month, something changed.
What changed?
I stopped being afraid of my own voice in English.
That's powerful.
The fear became smaller. Okay, your turn, Maya.
1 year ago, I always said, I don't have time.
For what?
For exercise, for reading, for learning.
Classic excuse.
Yes, so I made a rule, only 10 minutes.
Only 10 minutes?
Yes, because 10 minutes feels easy.
And what happened?
After 10 minutes, sometimes I wanted to continue.
So the 10 minutes tricked your brain.
Exactly. Starting is the hardest part.
That is very true. If someone watches you talking to yourself in English, what do they think?
They probably think I'm crazy.
Imagine someone opening your door and hearing, "Hello, Daniel, how was your day today?"
That actually happened once.
No way. Repeat with us. Habit.
Excuse.
Uncomfortable.
Freeze.
Motivation.
Big dreams are built from small habits.
You don't need perfect English.
You just need to start.
5 minutes.
10 minutes.
One small sentence.
That is enough.
This is Maya,
And this is Daniel.
and you are listening to the Daily Speak English podcast. Keep learning.
Keep speaking.
See you next time.